Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover your Yahoo account even if you've forgotten your email and password. So let's just get started right away. Start by going to any of the browser available on your device and you can go over to login.yahoo.com/forgot. And you should be taken to the space right here with the one. So in order to get started, you usually need to enter up your email address and your phone number here, and Yahoo will automatically show you the recovery options available for your account. So here, enter any of the one that is possible. After that, tap on continue. And once you tap on continue, you can select the option of signing in with Google instead or any other recovery method of available. So you can just go ahead and do so, click on sign in with Google or anything, and you will be getting a verification code that you need to enter so that you can reset your password right away. So you can just go over and follow up the process and you will be signed in into your Yahoo account. So you can just go over and do so and complete up this process. If you do not have this option right here, what you can do instead is you can just go over and click on the option called do not have access to recovery options, and Yahoo will show you other options to verify your identity. Sometimes even it will ask you for an old email, old phone number, or even security questions. If not this, what you can do is you can go to Yahoo support, Yahoo contact. You can go to Yahoo contact us and go to this customer support for Yahoo, your official site, and just go over and contact this following number, or go to their help central and you can just go over and follow the steps to chat with Yahoo support, where they might ask for details like when you created your account, your old password that you remember, or any other recovery info. And once you're back in, you can just go ahead and set up a new strong password, and that's it. That is how you recover your Yahoo account without knowing your old password. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for watching this video.